Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn the draft tool in a FreeCAD part design workbench. So for this tutorial I am using the FreeCAD version 1.0, so you must have at least 1.0 or higher version of a FreeCAD. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on a FreeCAD. You can visit this tab for FreeCAD tutorial and this one for the FreeCAD articles. Apart from FreeCAD, I write the journal mechanical engineering topic which you can read in your own language. Here is a language option. Just click on the language, it will be get translated. You can also visit my 3D model library which I have created for FreeCAD part. It is a free to use. All you have to go to my home page and click on this FreeCAD 3D models. And once you click on the tab, you will be directed to my 3D model library. This 3D model library is free to use. All you have to click on the image. You will be directed to the Google Drive where you will get a FreeCAD part as well as 2D drawing. You can also visit my 2D drawing library. On my home page you will see here the tab 2D drawings. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the 2D drawings, and here you can use this drawing for your projects, or you can use this drawing to practice the 3D modeling in a FreeCAD. If you like my method of teaching, you can also support me on a ko-fi.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help this channel to grow. You can also visit my ko-fi shop where I have uploaded small FreeCAD projects which you can buy at very nominal price. So your small donation will help me a lot, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I will create a body, and on my origin plane select the top plane and click on the sketch. So here I will create a simple part. So let's select 2-point rectangle and create a rectangle, and of the origin plane select the symmetricity, select these 2 points and origin points, and select a smart dimension, provide it 100, and select this and this and made it equal. And now come out of the sketch and click on the pad and give the 100 mm and say OK. Now click on the draft tool. In a draft tool, here is a draft angle, here is a neutral plane, and here is a pull direction. So let's give the draft angle of 10, and here in a select option we will select the faces where we want to create an angle. So select it, select this face, and this all 4 faces. So here you can see that all 4 faces are added here. And now here we will select the neutral plane. Neutral plane is which we do not want to change. So we will click on the neutral plane and we will select this top plane. So as you can see that draft is created at the outside. If we see from, let's see the front view, and let's move to the other side. So all the sides draft is created. Now let's see the few more options. So edit the draft. So here draft was outside. Let's reverse the pull directions. So now this draft is inside. If I uncheck it, so you can see that how draft is working inside and outside. Now let's explore the some other option in a draft tool. So we will edit our existing draft. So here the four faces is selected, angle is given, neutral face is our top face, and now let's pull by 10 degree. So click on the pull direction and select this edge. So you can see that our part shape is changed. Now here this angle is of a 10 degree. Now let's increase the angle. So you can see that as I am increasing the angle, the changes we can see. Now let's increase it. Let's make it 80 degree. So you can see that this angle is a 80 degree and this edge is a constant. So this is how we can use the different options under the draft tool. So this is all about how to use the draft tool in a FreeCAD part design workbench. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.